thought I left y'all hanging. And I did. I did. Let me clean this camera, cuz. Can y'all see now? Okay, so I've been contemplating a lot on like what to do in my world, on my videos or whatever. So I'm just gonna come on and it is what it is, okay? Because it's a lot of times when I'll be like, man, I shouldn't post this video, man, I shouldn't post this video, I shouldn't record this and I shouldn't record that. Tribe, blah. Okay, listen, this is what I got for y'all today. Okay. This dirty office chair. Y'all see it? Let me see if I can turn it around. Y'all see how dirty it is? Really dirty. I don't even know if y'all could get a good glimpse of the dirt. All of this is like when I like was sewing and stuff, because this was my sewing chair. Because I literally got this chair off the side of the road, y'all. No lie. This was a good office chair on the side of the road. And it was just dirty. And I cleaned it. That was years ago. That was years ago when I cleaned it. But now I want to bring it in the house. I mean, not bring it in the house, but, oh, need some cushion right there. What's going on right there? The cushion done slid. I don't know if I want to clean it or if I want to recover it. This is a spot. You know what? I'm going to pull this cushion up right here. See if I can pinch this and make it go up. Child, we'll worry about that later. Anyhow, y'all, I seen on, hold on, I ain't got my mic on. Okay, so anyhow, y'all, I seen on a video from years ago, because I was about to get a new chair. And this chair is the most comfortable chair that I have. I got a couple of office chairs. But look, as you can see, this one is, oh, I don't even know if y'all can get the good image of the dirt. See how dirty and matted up it is, like a little old dog or something. Y'all don't rub my hands, I'm just old. Okay, like an old dog hair, but it's not. It's a good chair and it's white. Well, it was white, child. But I'm gonna try to see if I can clean it and get it back to life. If I can't, then I'm gonna recover it and then we're gonna move on from there. But oh, I wish y'all could get a better glimpse of how dirty this chair really is. I'm gonna see if I can take it outside and let y'all see it better in a better light. Okay, y'all, so I am outside now, and this is what the chair looks like up close in the sunlight. It's real matted up, just fabric, threads, and me sitting on it for years, but this, I know y'all probably saying, girl, just throw that chair away, but baby, this is one of the most comfortable office chairs that I've owned, and I own, like right now, I literally have like 1, 2, 3, 5 office chairs, but this is my favorite, as you can tell, because I don't wore it all the way out, but I seen on a video from some years ago, I had looked it up on, how to clean a chair, and it said use a wire brush. And I was like, what? A wire brush? Actually, I looked up how to clean a rug, because this was kind of similar to a rug I own. And I was like, okay, well, I'm going to try it. And it's cheaper than going to buy some fabric. So let's see. Okay, y'all. So I'm outside getting ready to comb this fur. I don't know if y'all could tell, but right here, I had fluffed it out a little bit to see what was gonna happen. And as y'all could see, it did a little fluff up a little something, because if y'all look at this, look at my finger and see how it move. This don't move. So this about to be a chore, y'all, but I'm gonna see first if it's gonna work. So the video was like brush, but I'm actually brushing aggressive, y'all. I'm being aggressive, kind of, not, because it ain't doing nothing. So I'm just gonna go one way. And then I'm gonna take this and go the other way. Some of the fur is gonna come loose now. So it's easier for me to switch sides than to just take the brush the opposite way. So I'll come on the other side and go this way. I'm not left-handed. Actually looking pretty decent. Y'all can see it got some of the fur-like qualities back to it. I don't know how long this gonna take, child. We just try some. If all else fails, we get another chill, okay? Don't mess around and scrape your hand with this thing, baby. And I got to get all the threads from this from years of sewing and making bonnets. As y'all can see, it got a little poodle back to it, a little poodle noodle. Ain't nothing right here, child. That's kind of all right there. Got a little fluff in it. Let me see how it look. Okay, all right. Let's see. It actually look a little whiter too, don't it, y'all? It look a little, maybe because it's fluffed out. Okay, y'all, so that's how much hair came off, which ain't too bad. So I might do a little ASMR for y'all. A little ASMR. Hold on. Y'all only trying to get all this thread out. Y'all see, I was dedicated. Look at that. Ain't no water, ain't no nothing on this chair. It's just straight dry. Shoot, this might be some put you to sleep type brushing right here. If If you go to sleep during this video, wake back up and watch it again while you're awake. Oh. Time to go eat all 4 ways. This way, this way, this way, this way. Left, right, up, down. Mm-hmm. Look at that. Look at that. I'm kind of shocked. It even brought some whiteness back to it. That's amazing. All this with a wire brush. Now, how you clean out this? How do you clean out this wire brush? Oh, okay. Look at that. That ain't half bad. That is not half bad. Look at that. Pretty cool. That's night and day, y'all. That's night and day. Okay, y'all. Y'all tell me if y'all want to see more of this cleaning, or do y'all want me to just go ahead and fast forward and show you the end result, okay? Because I could do some more ASMR. Ooh, that's nice. I'm amazed. Okay, y'all. I'll holler at y'all later. Peace out, dude.